Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best shoe washer is probably one of the most revolutionary home appliances for anyone tired of scrubbing dirty sneakers by hand, offering a convenient and effective way to restore your favorite footwear to its pristine condition without the hassle, saving you time and effort while extending the life of your beloved shoes. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for your footwear. This kit is designed to bring your shoes back to life, making them look fresh and new. Whether it's your favorite canvas sneakers or other fabric footwear, it handles them with ease. Its powerful formula lifts dirt without damaging the material. Restore the shine to your leather shoes and keep your white sneakers pristine. It gently cleans, preserving the quality and color of your valuable footwear. Even delicate materials like suede and nubuck are no match for its cleaning power. It effectively removes stains while maintaining their unique texture. Each kit comes with everything you need for a thorough clean. You'll find a bottle of the powerful cleaner and a brush for easy application. Using it is incredibly simple, delivering professional results at home. Just apply, scrub, and wipe for a remarkable transformation. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for various shoe materials. Its versatility means you can clean leather, suede, and fabric with one product. If you own diverse footwear and want a simple, all-in-one cleaning solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. True Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. Introducing True Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. These powerful tablets are designed to give your washing machine a thorough, deep clean. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. They effectively remove odor-causing residue, leaving your machine fresh. Don't let limescale and grime build up. These tablets work hard to dissolve tough deposits, ensuring optimal performance. It cleans more than just the drum. They reach deep into the pump, valve, and hoses, ensuring every part is spotless. Compatible with front load, top load, and heat washers. Plus, they are septic safe, providing peace of mind. What we like. These tablets are specifically designed to deep clean your washing machine itself. They effectively remove odor-causing residue, limescale, and grime from internal components. If you're experiencing musty smells from your laundry or want to maintain your washing machine's efficiency, these are perfect for you. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. JobSite Silent Boot Dryer and Deodorizer. Introducing the ultimate solution for dry, fresh footwear. This innovative device ensures your boots are ready for anything. Experience powerful drying without the noise. It operates silently, perfect for any environment, day or night. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. This dryer not only dries but also effectively deodorizes, leaving your items fresh. Don't just dry boots, it's perfect for work boots, gloves, and shoes. Keep all your essential gear in top condition. Its fanless design means no harsh air, just gentle, consistent warmth. This ensures a longer lifespan for your items. With 36 W of power, it's designed for efficiency. You get effective drying without excessive energy consumption. What we like. This boot dryer provides a quiet and efficient way to dry and deodorize your footwear. Its fanless design ensures silent operation, perfect for overnight use. If you work outdoors, enjoy sports, or simply want to extend the life of your boots and shoes by keeping them dry and fresh, this is an essential gadget. What people say. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 1.7 cu.Ft Portable Washer. This superior portable washer handles up to 11 pounds of laundry at once. It offers 6 cycle selections, including normal, delicate, and quick, making it perfect for everything from everyday clothes to baby items. Experience energy-efficient operation with its built-in lint filter, requiring only monthly cleaning. Designed for high-efficiency detergents and cold water, it operates fully automatically for your convenience. This machine offers impressive functionality, including 3 water-level choices for any load size. You can also select hot, warm, or cold temperatures, and even delay the start for up to 24 hours. It features a durable, rust and corrosion-resistant stainless steel tub. The top-loading transparent lid closes quietly, allowing you to watch your clothes get perfectly clean. This amazing washing machine includes auto unbalance detection for peak cleaning performance. It also comes with auto shut-off safety features and child lock protection for peace of mind. This fantastic portable clothes washer is designed for mobility, easily moving from room to room with its rollers and side handles. It also includes all necessary accessories, a connector adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose. What we like? This compact washer offers impressive capacity and functionality in a portable design. It handles up to 11 pounds of laundry with multiple cycles and water temperature options. If you live in a small apartment, dorm, or RV, or need a secondary washer for delicate items, this portable powerhouse is ideal. What people say. Source JSON for reviews is empty. No product review points could be extracted. Number 1. EcoSmart ECO11 Tankless Water Heater. Discover the EcoSmart ECO11, an advanced electric tankless water heater. It's designed to bring efficiency and convenience to your home. Experience a continuous supply of hot water, whenever you need it. You'll never run out, ensuring comfort for your daily routines. This unit features patented self-modulating technology. It continuously monitors water temperature and flow, ensuring consistent performance within 1 degree of your selected setting. Reclaim your space with this compact heater. It's 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters and can be installed on a wall or at the point of use. Achieve 99% thermal energy efficiency. Unlike tank heaters that constantly maintain water temperature, this system only heats water when called for, significantly reducing energy waste. The 13 kilowatt EcoSmart ECO11 is ideal for a bathroom, small sink, or office break room. It provides ample hot water for low-flow applications. What we like? This tankless water heater provides continuous, on-demand hot water, saving significant space and energy. It only heats water when needed, making it highly efficient. If you're looking to reduce energy bills, free up space, and enjoy an endless supply of hot water for a small sink or bathroom, this is a smart, eco-friendly upgrade. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.